for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, fog lamps, CD player. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.